right here at CHAYO'S Garage Part 4. Now shining up there's the alternator.
And that's the
get it ready to paint, and this is 150 amp
from the Touareg.
From the Touareg. I already shaved here a little bit, and I shaved here a little bit too.
So that's the problem we were having in the first video we did with it fitting. So we shaved it down.
Right here and here, and boom.
Now it's perfect. Awesome.
Right.
Sweet, dude. What's Junior doing over here?
Cleaning off all the paint. For the 24 valve or the Touareg is the same, the EGR. So literally what you do, you cut this and you cut here, right? So you pull this bolt and this, and it has like a little gasket. So what you do, you use a little piece of aluminum and use that gasket as a template. You cut it, ground it, drill holes, and just make that plate like that. Really simple. Do that. That take me like 5 minutes to do it. I literally don't spend anything. So put seal in it, put the block off plate, and you're good to go. So here we go. We're gonna put the front mount bracket. Literally already preset this. So with the crescent wrench, you put this first, this bracket, right? It goes like that. So with the crescent wrench, you twist that one like tight. Don't loose because you're gonna leak oil, but you tight and kind of get it in the angle you need. You don't have to cut it, you don't have to trim it, you don't have to do anything. Literally this bolt, it's really tight, but it bolts. So check this out. Boom, right there. And this I pull it off 180 turbo, MK2 180 turbo of the AC bracket. It sits right here on the AC of a 180 turbo. Literally you pull it out and you cut it. You cut 3/4. 3/4 you cut it, and you use this as a spacer. So literally you put it on like that, and boom, it sits. Do you see that? It sits perfect. It's 3/4, which you need. So and you set, you're good to go. That's how it should sit. Flash here, and look, boom, boom, boom. So I can't finish it. I can't tighten it up because I still got to put the starter. But that's how how it should go, easy without cutting or trimming this. A lot of people does that when you do a 24 valve swap, or when you go when you do R32 swap. Which this is a 24 because R32 is way too bigger, and also this is going to Mark II or whatever Corrado, but this is a smaller, which is better and it fits nicer. 1 inch, split it in half, so we do it right there. ½ inch right here. So from here we mark 3/4. Check this out right there. 3/4. 3/4. If you need more, you just cut down.
So we test fitting the engine, and then we ran into a little issue with the alternator from the Touareg, the 150 amp. This pulley right here, it's not as far out in line with the other, where the belt's gonna go on the pulleys. So with the bottom pulley on the Touareg, the crank pulley actually sticks out a lot farther than the 24 valve or the R32 one. So we're gonna have to switch that from the 24 valve or R32 engine.
Oh,
Yeah!
yes. Come up. Okay. Pull this. Boom, boom, boom. You see that? Special tool. Woohoo! And bingo!
Nice. Got it.
Woohoo! So, whew, check it out. You can see it.